Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Home Cooking with Roxy, and I am making meatloaf again. So this time I use a little bit of kitchen bouquet, only a capful, Tuscan garlic, tone seasoning, my breadcrumbs, half a container of that, a little salt and pepper, you know. So the tone seasoning, it has a lot of stuff in it. Thyme. Let's see. Let's check this out. We got time. I put my glasses on. Garlic, salt, onions, spices, sugar, red pepper, lemon. Read it for yourself. You could read, right? Thank you. This will take about an hour and a half to cook. I'm gonna cover it with foil, bake it, then take it out, and then I made the gravy. I did use 1 pack of Lipton soup mix in case I forgot to tell you that. You can follow me on YouTube for the full description of this meatloaf and other recipes on Home Cooking Done Roxy, YouTube, IG, TikTok, and Facebook. I am Roxy Jenkins, and this is homemade meatloaf. I'm making cabbage with my meatloaf. All I used was bacon and salt and pepper. That's it. It's the cabbage. I got the whole cabbage. The whole cabbage. And 1 bay leaf. See it right there? 1 bay leaf. That's all I put in there. 1 bay leaf. Salt. Pepper. Bacon. So it's steaming down. It'll be done before the meatloaf. And we're going to eat today. White rice. Cabbage. Meatloaf. And for dessert, I made sweet potato bread.